Morning to all. Myself G. Shweta of second year BSc Biochemistry department. My topic is about human population explosion. Outline of the topic is definition of human population growth and human population explosion, Indian scenario, theory of human population explosion, control of human population, why human population are increasing, causes of population explosion, and World Population Day. Now we are going to know the human population explosion and some info about that. One of the serious problem world is facing today is population explosion. Definition of human population growth. Change in size of population. The rapid growth of world's population over the past 100 years result from a difference between the rate of birth and rate of death. The human population will increases by 1 billion people in next decade. Let's know about the Indian scenario. On 11th May 2000, India had 1 billion people. If current trend continue, India may over China by 2045 to become the most populous country in the world. Global population increased threefold during this century. Theories of population explosion. Two theories are here. One is Malthusian theory and another one is Marxian theory. Malthusian theory in 1798. This theory was explained the exponential population and arithmetic food supply growth. This theory was proposed by Thomas Robert Malthus. He believed that a balance between population growth and food supply can be established through preventive and positive check. This theory is not applicable today. The picture regarding this Malthusian theory. Marxian theory. This theory was proposed by Karl Marx. This theory explained the population growth, a symptom rather than cause of poverty, resource depletion, and other problems. If population will increase, then people will have to suffer for many resources like water, food, etc. So we need to know how to control the human population. Control of human population explosion. Measures to control population explosion. First one, social measure. Second one, economic measure. And last one is other measure. Social measure. Minimum age of marriage, raising the status of women, spread of education, adoption, change in social outlook, social security. Economic measure. More employment opportunities, development of agriculture and industry, standard of living. Other measures. Late marriage, self-control, family planning, recreational facilities, publicity, incentives, employment to women. Why human populations are increasing? Decreased death rate, causes of population explosion. Decreased death rate is the major reason. High birth rate, medical technology, and migration. World Population Day. World Population Day is celebrated on 11th of July every year since 1989 to raise awareness among people. It attracts global attention on the issue of population explosion. India has the world's second largest population after China. Our Mother Earth can't feed so many people. So control the global population for our nature's sakes and save our Earth. Thank you.